Just like I was so dark and mysterious.
Ever since you came out of the womb?
Yeah, I was always dark and mysterious.
You were dark, mysterious?
Excuse me.
My name is Millie, and this is my daughter,
Jada.
Oh, okay, wow. So, as you already know, we're gonna be doing emo makeup for Jada. If you don't know, Jada is
Emo.
Ever since she told me she's emo.
I've been emo since birth, by the way.
Anyways, I've been watching videos and looking up online to find out what emo is, because she told me what emo is, but I really didn't get it. And so, the makeup that we're gonna be doing, I guess it's gonna be dark makeup, dark eyeliner. No,
It's gonna be grudge, right? You know, cause like, in my opinion, I feel like emos, they like sort of do like a dark smoky eye a little bit, and then like goth and emo, two different things, completely. See, because when it's goth, it's a little bit more exaggerated, right? But when it's emo, it's a little bit like the baby version of goth makeup, if you get it.
all right. Well, so today I'm gonna try to do emo makeup for her because she's still very young, so she doesn't wear makeup, and so this is gonna be the first time she's wearing emo makeup.
Lies.
You've worn emo makeup before?
Absolutely.
When?
In my spare time.
In your spare time, you wore makeup?
Absolutely.
Wow. Anywho, while we're doing the makeup, I'm gonna be asking her some emo questions. Hopefully she knows if she's a true emo, as she claims. Because from what I saw on TikTok, because she actually, one of our first videos was her telling me she's emo and me telling her she's not emo. I'm gonna insert that video. You're not wearing that to school. You're not wearing this to school.
You don't understand.
Understand what? You're dressed like an emo.
I'm emo though.
You're not an emo.
Yes, I am.
Jada? You're not wearing this
You
to
need to buy me Converse.
Oh god, not the Converse.
You need to buy me Converse, and I'm gonna start wearing them with my dresses.
Oh my god.
Who said that I can't wear my Converse? You're unlucky that I'm playing the saxophone, because I would, if I had a guitar and I was like, Mom, you need to start buying me like all black clothes.
Oh my god, no.
As a matter of fact, I need a black phone case.
Jesus Christ.
I only listen to emo music.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
No, you.
Let me show you my playlist.
Oh my god. So yeah, as you already saw in the video, she says she's emo, so I guess she is emo. And so people on TikTok were saying she's a poser, but I live with her, and I think she's actually serious about this emo thing, because the music that she listens to, I'm like, what is this? I mean, some of them are good, but anywho,
All of them are good.
yeah, okay. Fuck. Okay, so close your eyes, because you're gonna have,
My hopes are not very high for this.
well,
You're bringing my hopes down with that. A skinny brush would even be better. Then we could smoothen it out. Because it's not supposed to be that smoky. Don't go over the thing, Mom. No, I can't. I need to see it. It's too much, Mom.
no, it's not. That's how they look.
No, it's not.
That's how you.
Over here.
I'll fix it. Don't worry. My first question is, what inspired you to be emo?
Well, ever since I came out of the womb, I just like I was so dark and mysterious.
Ever since you came out of the womb?
Yeah. I was always dark and mysterious.
You were dark, mysterious.
Excuse me.
Oh, are you able to name 3 emo bands?
Okay, so my top 3 emo bands are number 1, Evanescence. Number 2, My Chemical Romance. And number 3, Falling in Reverse.
Following in reverse?
No, Falling in Reverse.
Falling in reverse? Okay.
Yeah.
Name me one of their songs.
Falling in Reverse?
Yeah.
Okay. Good girls, bad guys.
All right. Give us the chorus. How does it go?
So are you good girls like bad guys? I
Yep. That's wow. This is what I deal with on a daily basis.
Anywho, don't judge me for that being my favorite song. I know it's like literally their most popular song, but it's just such a banger. Like it's their most popular song. It's their most popular song for a reason.
Okay. Wow. That's amazing. All right, look up. Let me do your. All right. Okay. So we're gonna do the next eye. You're gonna be so good.
My hopes are getting lower and lower by the second, Mom.
Jada, I'm a makeup artist. You do know that, right?
Yes, but you're not an email makeup artist.
I'm not an emo makeup artist. This is my first time doing this, and okay. Oops. Let me see your face. You look amazing, by the way.
Mom, this is not. This is not emo, Mom.
It is emo.
No, it's not. This
It's
is goth.
emo.
This is goth.
It's emo. Anyway,
Goth.
your waterline. Open and look up. The waterline is where we do it skinny. So this is a flat brush that I'm using. Don't worry, I'm not gonna poke you. People trust me with their makeup, so you'll be fine.
That's
It looks-
definitely something.
It looks amazing, isn't it? Right?
No.
I'm so good at this.
Mom, the top is supposed to be like mascara. Like,
Don't worry, I got this.
Mom, if I don't see like all of this part removed, I'm literally going to be like, Mom, I'm trusting you. Okay. No, Mom.
Whether you're trusting me or not, I'm doing this, so you better trust me. All right, so I'm gonna be using this tiny brush because I think gotta do the wing better.
It's actually supposed to be a small one.
Jada, I've seen videos.
Yeah, well, I'm literally emo. I know emos, Mom.
Well, I've seen the videos.
You were probably looking at gothic people then.
It was emo people I was looking at.
Are you sure?
They were emo.
Are you sure?
Well, they said emo on the video. Okay, open here.
They're probably confused. Their own identity.
Wow.
Yeah.
Hey, you look so good.
Why are you lying to me?
You look amazing.
Just because I can't see in the camera at the moment.
You look amazing.
I don't believe you.
Guys, so I finished the makeup. I don't know how I did, but I'm gonna let Jada look in the mirror and she's gonna rate me. She's gonna rate me on a scale of 1 to 10 how I did with her emo makeup.
8.5. You get an 8.5.
After all that work, I thought I got a 10.
Nope, you got an 8.5 out of 10.
Okay, fine. I'll take 8.5 out of 10.
Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. What do you guys think? How do you guys think my mom did? I thought it deserved an 8.5. She thought it deserved a 10. I think otherwise. Like, yeah, I think otherwise. Wow. It's not like it's a bad makeup look. I just think she could have done better, especially because she's a professional makeup artist.
I have never done emo makeup before. This was so hard. I literally just did the eyes and it was like the hardest thing I've ever done. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Make sure you subscribe and give us a thumbs up and leave in the comment section how you think I did on a scale of 1 to 10. Thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and we'll see you in the next one.